Here is the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now that's the key right over there, and there's a screw at the very bottom over there. Let's take a closer look. It's a very small screw and you need to get a very fine tip Phillips head screwdriver, one that looks like this. Make sure it's a fine tip one like this, or else you'll end up stripping the screw. Now when you take the screw off, push down and then twist it left. Okay, make sure you're pushing down and then twist it left, so that we end up avoiding stripping the screw off. Okay, get the screw out and keep it somewhere safe. And once the screw is off, you need a flathead screwdriver to put it in that notch right over there. Put the screwdriver in there like that and then twist it. Twist it to pry the cover open. There it is. Now once the cover is open just a little bit, you can sort of manually open it up all the way. And there it is. Now that in the middle, that is the remote part. We need to get it out of the key shell. Okay, now that it's out, on the bottom right corner, right over there, we need to pry it open from there. You can use the screwdriver if you want. You can put it in the notch and twist it, or you can just use your bare hands, whatever works for you. It'll come off easily. And there it is. There's the battery right over there. Get the flathead screwdriver again and use it to pry the battery out. Once the battery is off, let's take a closer look at it. See this side that doesn't really have any markings on it? That's a negative side. The positive side has a plus sign on it and even the battery size number on it, CR1616. Again, that's the size, CR1616. Get the new battery, put the battery with the negative face on the top, push it in, get the other part of the remote, line it up over there, make sure it's all lined up, and then push it together and it's clipped, clipped, clipped. That's looking good. Let's put the remote back into the key shell. And now let's put the other part back in, and now we just need to put the screw in and tighten that up. Now let's go ahead and try it out. And that's working. Unlock. Let's lock again. And that's looking good. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video helpful.